Welcome to a Getting Started tutorial for retailMetrix. retailMetrix is a full data dashboard which is available as a web app and also an app for Android and iOS. We provide a data dashboard allowing you to explore your sales data all the way from company-wide sales down to individual item sales. Once you've received your email invitation, you'll create an account and setting up a profile is quick and easy. Once on the home page, you can change the date range for the data displayed. There are a few preset options, or you can also input a custom date range. The default is to compare year over year, but with the custom date range, you can compare to any time period. You can also select different stores and departments if you'd prefer to see a more specific set of data. Our first chart shows total sales, number of customers, basket size, and average item price. And to the right, we can view the top selling items. Any of these blue links can be selected to view more detailed information. Next up, we have a chart displaying the same data broken down by store, and to the right, the top selling categories. The next table shows regions and store sales. Any table display can be sorted by selecting a column. They can also be organized to prioritize the information that is most valuable to you by dragging and dropping to select or reorganize. You'll also notice below that any table data can be downloaded to an Excel or CSV file. Further down the page, we will see the same information broken up by department. For more detail on each department, you can click on any link to view that page. Onto the item sales dashboard, where you can view the sales information for a specific item. Type in your item description or UPC, or use the barcode scanner with your mobile app. You can also upload a list of UPCs from a CSV file. Let's take a look at the sales for bananas and organic bananas today. You'll notice that here we have the same charts and graphs from the home page, but just for the items that we have selected. Let's take a look at an item sales report. Here we can pull up a report for the sales of all the items in any department or category, or you can choose individual items. Select a date range that you would like to view, and then select the items or category. Using bakery as an example, you can choose a custom template of data like before, or you can select from the pre-existing data templates. Click Get Report, and then we'll see all the items for bakery in a familiar table that can be sorted just like the tables on your home page. By selecting total sales, we can see the best-selling items in our category. Each item can be selected to view just that data, or you can export the whole data set into Excel. There are many ways to view your sales and data with retailMetrix, but this should help get you started, and we're always here if you have any questions. Thank you.